Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to disallow application in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and press on location. If you want to disallow your application from your Android phone, you just have to turn off the button. Or if you want to disallow your application individually, then select your app and press here Don't Allow. That's it. So this is how to disallow application in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.